So let's take a look on how to see some info on schools or districts. If we type in CCD ELSI, E-L-S-I, and press enter, we should get the ELSI, which is the Elementary and Secondary Information System links. Click Table Generator. You may have to click something that says OK, that you'll use the data well. And we're just going to click in on district. Actually, if we want to see the school level, we should go into the school. And I'm just going to click here to get this year's data, but you could get any year. The locale itself is in the characteristics. So we will go down to Urban Central Locale. If you look at this, it does give you the explanations of what everything is. Rural is going to be 4.1, 4.2, and 4.3, and they're labeled on the data when it comes out too. So we're just going to click that, and then we also want to know the it looks like in this case the county. So if we go over here, we'll get the county name. And then you could get all sorts of other information here if you want, but I'm going to go ahead with this, select my filters. So let's say we just wanted to look in South Carolina. We'll filter by individual state, South Carolina. And then we could, if we just would create the table now, we would get every school in South Carolina, and we could filter those out. But if we want, we can click here and create a county filter also. So for example, let's say we want to get Richland County. We'll click that. And maybe we want to get Lexington County. And we'll get Kershaw County. So this will only give us the schools in these counties, and it'll tell us the information on those schools. So we'll go ahead and create this table. Okay, so you can see a list here of all the schools. You can see it in here. If it's easier, you can click on Excel and get an Excel spreadsheet. This should list each school, tell you the county they're located in, and then their locale code. So anything that would be 4.1, 4.2, or 4.3 would be considered rural. For the purposes of our report, it would have been any school located in a rural school district.